Welcome back to the channel, Crypto Enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the secrets behind spotting that elusive 100x altcoin. Think about the life-changing returns delivered by success stories like Shiba Inu and Solana. What really sets these hidden gems apart from projects that fizzle out? In this video, we'll explore where to look, how to analyze potential projects, and when to make your move. Core principles for identifying 100x altcoins. 1. Focus on microcap coins. Start by zeroing in on microcap projects, those with market caps between $1 million and $50 million. These smaller coins have ample room for exponential growth. In contrast, giants like Bitcoin and Ethereum are already too large to realistically see 100x returns. 2. Strong use case and innovation. A promising altcoin should solve a real-world problem or break new ground in emerging niches like AI blockchain hybrids or NFT finance. Think of projects that address issues such as Ethereum scalability or those bridging NFTs with decentralized finance. 3. Tokenomics and scarcity. Examine the coin's tokenomics closely. Look for tokens with a low total supply, under 1 billion tokens, and deflationary mechanisms like token burns. Also, be cautious of projects with a poor token distribution, where large allocations to insiders could hinder future growth. 4. Team and partnerships. A transparent, experienced team is a strong indicator of long-term potential. Prioritize projects with docs teams that have proven track records and robust partnerships with reputable brands. 5. Community hype and social sentiment. Don't underestimate the power of a vibrant community. Use tools like Lunar Crush to track social sentiment and volume. Often, coins that start as a meme or gain viral momentum, think Doge or SHIB, demonstrate the significant role community hype can play. Where to find hidden gems? A. Crypto launchpads. Platforms such as Binance Launchpad, DAO Maker, and Polkastarter offer early access to promising pre-sale tokens, ideal spots to discover the next big thing. B. Decentralized exchanges, DEXs. Keep your eyes on DEXs like Uniswap and PancakeSwap. With tools like DEX Screener or DexTools, you can spot trending tokens before they get listed on major exchanges. See social media and alpha groups. Join communities on Telegram, Reddit, like our Crypto Moonshots, and follow trusted crypto influencers on Twitter. These channels can provide early signals and insider tips. D. On-chain tools. Track where the smart money is flowing using on-chain analysis platforms such as Arkham Intelligence or LookinChain. Monitoring whale activity can give you a leg up on emerging trends. Red flags to avoid. Anonymous teams. Projects with untraceable founders can be risky. Remember the downfall of coins like Squid Game Coin. Poor liquidity. Always check if liquidity is locked on platforms like Uniswap to help avoid rug pulls. Overhyped narratives. Be skeptical of projects boasting about being the next Ethereum killer without any solid technological backing. Timing your entry and exit. Buy signals. Consider buying after pre-sales or when technical indicators, like oversold RSI levels, suggest a dip. Enter before major exchange listings, as history has shown these events can trigger significant price surges. Sell signals. Look to exit when the hype reaches its peak, often indicated by spikes in social media mentions. Also, be cautious if you notice large-scale dumping by whales, as tracked by tools like Whale Alert. Tools and resources. Research platforms, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and Messari provide comprehensive data on project fundamentals. On-chain analytics, platforms such as Sentiment and Moralee's Money can help track token movements and new token trends. Community sentiment, tools like Lunar Crush and active Twitter hashtags, e.g., #AltcoinGem, are invaluable for keeping a finger on the pulse of crypto communities. Conclusion and call to action. To wrap things up, identifying a 100x altcoin is all about blending diligent research, smart timing, and disciplined risk management. Always remember, DYOR, do your own research before investing. What altcoin are you eyeing next? Drop your thoughts and picks in the comments below. Production tips. Look out for our animated infographics explaining tokenomics and market cycles. Enjoy exclusive interviews and case studies from crypto experts throughout the video. And as a reminder, cryptocurrency investments come with high risks. Avoid FOMO and invest responsibly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, please hit like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more expert crypto insights. Happy investing!